Again, welcome to the Dream Team. Bago tayo magsimula sa strategies and tools, mahalagang malinaw sa inyo kung ano ang mission, vision at core values ng team. Mission: to equip aspiring individuals with the right mindset, tools, and mentorship to start and grow their online business, empowering them to take consistent action, achieve financial freedom, and unlock the dream lifestyle through the Clicknomics platform. Our mission is simple but powerful. We are here to help ordinary people build an extraordinary future through online business. Hindi lang basta kita. We want to guide each member to become empowered, confident, and action-driven, with Clicknomics as our platform and the dream lifestyle as our target. We're building something that can change lives. Vision: to build a united, purpose-driven community of Filipino dreamers and doers, where everyone has the opportunity to rise, earn, and live a life of freedom, fulfillment, and impact. Our vision goes beyond income. Ang goal natin is to build a strong, supportive community, isang pamilya na sama-samang umaangat. We want to help each other create not just earnings, but impact and purpose in life. Now, let's talk about the team core values. Every great team has strong values. Ito ang ating compass, ang gabay natin sa bawat desisyon, bawat action, at bawat pakikitungo natin sa isa't isa. Let's go through each one. First, action over perfection. We believe in progress over perfection. Hindi kailangang perfect para magsimula. We take action, we learn, and we grow. Sa Dream Team, kahit small wins, worth celebrating yan. Second, integrity and transparency. We lead with honesty, serve with heart. We value trust. Walang hype, walang bola, only real stories, real results, and real effort. That's how we build long-term success. Third, growth mindset. Challenges equals opportunities dapat. We welcome challenges because we know they help us grow. We learn from our mistakes and we always aim to be better than yesterday. Fourth, support and collaboration. Together, we rise. Walang iwanan sa Dream Team. We support each other, celebrate each other's wins, and help each other through struggles. We are stronger together. Remember, we are stronger together. Fifth, faith in the mission. We believe in the purpose. Hindi lang tayo nagbebenta. We believe we are part of something meaningful, helping others create a better life through Clicknomics platform. And lastly, dream big, start now. It's your time to build your dream life. Hindi tayo waiting game. We encourage everyone to start now kahit small steps lang kasi walang mangyayari kung puro training lang, puro pangarap lang. Kailangan mag-take action ka rin.